3, 2, 1, go.
And with that, we kick off qualification match number 32. Over on our red side of the blue sides of the field, we're seeing fuel flying during this autonomous period. Over on our blue side, Spam with their quick cycle time. Blue is already up to 40 fuel scored in the autonomous period. Over on our red alliance, those human players are keeping scoring consistent through the end of the period. And with that, our robots are off to the neutral zone to pick up all that dispersed fuel. Spam, currently ranked 1 at this event, has those quick cycle times. But are shooting fuel into the hub while it is off, not receiving any points for what was just shot. Over on the Red Alliance side of the field, we're seeing robots trying to get over the bump, and Phoenix Robotics getting a little bit stuck, maybe needing some help from their alliance partners out there. Tropical Force helping them over the bump as well. Picking up some fuel from that neutral zone, trying to get it back to red as quickly as possible when the blue hub becomes active, which is right now. Spam quickly cycling that fuel through with all the fuel that has been backed up into their side of the field during the time where their hub was inactive. Over in the middle side of the field, we see Combat trying to get fuel under the trench and into their intake. Again, having those low-profile robots and those robots that can fit under the trench can be a really great strategy for some teams, but it does take some of that fuel capacity away from their robot, which is something to think about from a strategy perspective. Red currently in control of their hub and has active scoring. However, there's not much fuel on their side of the field currently, and our robots are dispersed throughout the field, trying to defend away from blue for their next active period. Currently a score of blue 164 to red 26. It's going to take a lot for the Red Alliance to come back from this, but it is possible. Spam's quick cycle time to making the blue pull ahead a little bit more from a scoring perspective. But both robots will be in control of the field in about 10 seconds, and anything can happen. Over on the red side of the field, Tropical Force is sitting waiting for their hub to become active so they can shoot. And their alliance partner, the Phoenix Robotics, is trying to focus on getting the fuel away from blue as quickly as possible. Spam giving some fuel to their human players so they're able to shoot for the last couple of seconds of the match. And while it's not many fuel, it does get them an additional 4 points, pulling ahead for the red-blue alliance a bit more. Great match from both alliances. Scores are ready, and it's going to be the Blue Alliance with a score of 303 to 26. Again, those fast fuel cycle times are just key in this game. Congratulations to our Blue Alliance getting 4 rank points. Spam consistently staying at that #1 rank, and both the Cyber Colts and Combat going up in the rankings.